if you can see me. Maybe it's too. Should I come closer? I'm gonna bring this shit closer. Alright, so today was another day in the market and another day where we focused on gold and another day when gold came clutch. Yeah, we took a gold breakout today and we won. Simple. We could just wrap the video up right here. Alright, so let me talk about the trade a little bit. It was obviously it was a breakout for buys, right? I don't want it beside me, so I don't gotta keep looking to the side. It had formed like a inverted head and shoulders, right? An inverted head and shoulders, and it was basically, I wouldn't say it was rejecting the 200, but it formed right, like the 200 was cutting through it at the time. So I was already thinking like, okay, this is looking really good. Head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders at 200 EMA, and the breaker candle, it was right underneath the 50. But so it was a little bit kind of suspect, especially based on what I've like back tested. The crossing of the EMAs a certain way. When it crosses over against you, the first or the first two, really the first time that it tests the EMA after it crosses, it usually doesn't work out in our favor. But we took a chance on it today and it worked out. It wasn't like an easy like one candle TP. You had to sit in the trade for a little bit. You had to wait. I'm not gonna lie, gold, she came through clutch, but we had to wait. I had to wait. So yeah, I entered for the buys. It hit 1-to-1, just to be clear of what actually happened. It hit, oh no. All right. Like I was saying, we took a breakout for buys. It played around for a little bit as expected because the EMA is crossed against us. So I already knew that was going to be a tough trade. But when it eventually hit 1-to-1, right? It didn't like the runner. If you held your runner, actually you would have hit TP. Because I was trying to hold the runner to get like a little bit more, right? And it's funny because I did the hard part, but I think the hard part was so hard. It's like by the time I reached back to my original TP, I was like, bro, I'm good. It gave a little bit of spike and I just left. I'm like, I ain't even staying for too much. But my original runner that I set, it had gotten hit, but I wasn't in the trade at that time. I pretty much got out at like maybe 1-to-1 point. I can't be bothered to. Not even much. Basically 1-to-1. Basically, because I was holding the runner, it almost took me out of break even, and then it came back to like 1-to-1, and then just maybe a little bit, 2-3 ticks above 1-to-1, I closed it. So that was the day, and to be honest, that was pretty much the end of the move, because after that, it pretty much if you had a stop loss at break even, it pretty much came back and took you out. It's actually been going up since, kinda. It's going up right now. It's up right now. Shit, if you just bought and hold this morning, you'd be up right now. Yeah, you'd be up. That shit look hella good too. This is the type of price action that make you want to jump in. But nah, yeah, but gold really been pulling her weight. I'm not gonna lie. I should have been 3-0 this week because, you know, we took 3 winning setups, but I fucked up Monday with my execution. And it was Monday, right? I think it was Monday that I took that L that I was supposed to, when I lost on a winning setup. But you know, so this trade was after market open, a little bit after market open. Today we had news at like 8:30. So a lot of times when there's 8:30 news, you don't get good setups before. And if you do, it'd be so close to the time that news is coming that it don't even make sense you take it. You can take it and you could win and it could go crazy, but it could also go against you, and slippage is a real thing. Slippage is real, bro, and that shit will fuck you up. So don't trade news. We did what we were supposed to do. At this point, we're on the week, we're 2-1, and this Friday, we're looking to make something good of it. I think last month we lost on every Friday, some crazy shit like that. And then NFP Friday is obviously the first Friday, and we don't take trades on those. So we had one day where we didn't take any, and 3 days when we lost. And we're not doing that this time. So by somewhere, somehow, we're gonna have to try to find something in the market tomorrow. Not gonna force it, but we're definitely not taking any bullshit, because we need a Friday win, bro. Like, we need a Friday win for real. Not having a win on a Friday, and we're already almost halfway through February. It's crazy. Notifications. That shit is crazy. So, yeah, we're gonna have to try to do something tomorrow about that shit. But apart from that, I mean, we did what we're supposed to do today. Woke up on time. Got where we're supposed to be. Settled in. I was a bit close this morning, to be fair, but I was still early. And, I was able to be ready when I needed to be ready. When the market presented something, I was ready. And we just want to continue the good habits and just continue to compound and compound, and we'll see where we are in a couple months. But until tomorrow, goodbye. I feel me open over, pussy. I'm not big. Fuck, I'm too. Hold on, let me. Come on, let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. One more time. Alright, so yesterday I actually did not get a chance to make the video, right? So I'm just gonna lump it in with today, which actually works out well because today there really ain't shit to talk about, Today was a no trade day. I think this might have been our first no trade day of the year. That wasn't like a news day or whatever. As far as NFP, but no, we didn't trade today, and that's partly because of news. There was 8:30 news, and I think there was like maybe one decent setup that showed up, but it was around news time, and we don't really trade news, so that wasn't gonna work. And there was like another decent setup again, but that was around market open. And once again, we're not really trading the US the New York market open. So we ended up not taking any trades today, and that's totally fine. You know, that's totally fine. A no trade day is definitely better than a losing day. I'll take that 10 days out of 10. So that was pretty much all we had for today. You know, we showed up on time. We showed up on time, you know, exercise patience and discipline, and that yielded a no trade day. And that's a part of it. That's gonna happen, and it's okay, you know. So that's pretty much it for this week. Well, that's the second week. We're halfway through February already. It's Valentine's Day, and you know, this is my Valentine's Day journal, right? And what's this, day 21, I think? Day 20 and 21, because I said I'm lumping the both of them together, right? You know, this week we ended with 2 wins and 1 loss, and then we didn't trade Wednesday or today. So much better than last week, and you know, we'll just have to come back next week again. Well, not Monday, it's President's Day. I'll be home, I can tell you that much, because we don't work on federal holidays. So I'm off Monday as far as work. Let me just check right now, actually. Chicken Forex Factory, see what Monday looking like. Alright. Yeah, it's a bank holiday. Because, you know, it's a federal holiday. So yeah, I'm probably not trading Monday either. That means I'll probably see you guys Tuesday. And yeah. Until then, I'm saying, stay safe.